Welcome to the liquidity modeling module. As follows from the title, we will create here a model for liquidity budgeting. This kind of model might help small and medium-priced enterprises to understand when do they need some additional money to meet their short-term obligations or practically pay the bills. Imagine you have a startup and you are doing great and the idea is amazing and the business potential is huge and you expect high return for investors. But you got bankrupt because of failing to pay electricity bills several times in a row. How unfortunate would that be? So our liquidity model will help you to avoid that situation. Overall, in this module, we will get to know some basic principles of good and clever modeling in Excel. We will try some instruments such as break-even analysis with goal seek and sensitivity analysis with data tables. We will also try scenario analysis with Scenario Manager and build scenario analysis tool ourselves. Then we will be also doing some tricks. For example, we will create a macro that prints the results directly to PDF from Excel, and we will also create our own ribbon in Excel with our own buttons that perform our own commands.